Everybody, welcome to Hey Bartender. This is your bartender, Gustavo Rojas, behind this /studio/kitchen, whatever, with a peaches cocktail. Stay with me, please. Let me show you how to make the peaches and honey, or AKA peaches mahoney, here in Hey Bartender. All right. The peaches and honey, or the peaches mahoney. All right, let me tell you how this story actually started, ladies and gentlemen. It's actually pretty funny because I was just getting inspired about a video that I saw with a beautiful twist on the paper plane. If you remember well, that's gonna be bourbon, that's gonna be Amaro Nonino, and Aperol with a little bit of lemon juice. And they happen to add peach. Well, I decided to try it with reposado tequila. And I make a little bit of adjustment on the other ingredients, and it come up a beautiful cocktail that reminds me of my friend Scotty Peaches Mahoney. So this one goes for you, my brother. And let's start building this guy. Let's start using vuelo del aviador reposado, an ounce and a half. 3/4 of an ounce of Aperol. 3/4 of an ounce of Amaro Nonino. Lemon juice, 3/4. The homework, spiced honey. I will put the description and the recipe all the way on the bottom, but this is technically speaking serranos, thyme, pepercorn, and anise star in a ratio to 1:1 with honey and water. And you're gonna go only for one quarter of an ounce. Part of your homework as well, you can do it either way. You're gonna grab one peach and you're gonna actually roast it. And you can put them in a blender and just fine strain that, and that's gonna be your puree. Or you can just throw in there muddle and double strain. It is up to you. So let's go for 3/4 of an ounce. Put some ice. And I can see production getting really excited about this one. If you can put your hands on a nice bodega glass and a big ice cube, that'll be even better. And let's fine strain. Let's get the oils of an orange. And for the garnish, a roasted peach. Time to fly with us, vuelo del aviador, and the peaches and honey. Salud, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and never, never drink